Hello and welcome to crushpoker.com. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the OngBetter modding software for the on-game network. The website is OngBetter.com, which will bring you right here to the homepage of the site. To download the program, simply press download here on the left-hand menu. You scroll down a bit and here on top you'll find the latest version of the OngBetter software. Simply press download to get the software, and I've already got it downloaded, so I'll just do my magic and bring you to it. Okay, so my wizardry is done, and here we have the installation file for OngBetter. So simply open it. Because I have Windows 7, I get this security warning, but it's no problem, just press run. Okay, so here you get the installation options. You get the option if you want to have any kind of shortcuts. You have, first of all, you have the basic installation that's required, that you can't untick that box, but you can choose to have a desktop shortcut and or a start menu shortcut. But I don't want either, so I'll just uncheck those two and press next. So here we get to choose where on our computer we want OngBetter to be installed. By default it's c/poker/OngBetter, but you can choose to install it anywhere in your computer by pressing the browse button and choosing a folder. I'm fine with having the default destination, so I'll just keep it like that and press install. That's the installation completed. We've installed the OngBetter software, and I've entered the name and validation key in order to get the full version, and this is now what OngBetter looks like when I open it. First off, we have this page, and we get to choose a room path by pressing these three dots here on the side. Now the partition or hard drive here that you should choose is the one that has your poker rooms installed on it. So for instance, I have mine on C, so I'll just choose C and press OK. Now OngBetter automatically discovers all the on-game network poker sites that you have installed on this partition. So I have Betson, Coral, Hey Poker and Smart Live Poker, and I want to play on Hey Poker, so I'll simply choose that one and I can start the room right here from the program. Here on the bottom you have some advices of things that you should do inside the poker client in order for OngBetter to run smoother. Before we start the poker room, let's look over some of OngBetter's features. So here at the top you'll see multiple tabs. Let's start with the general one. Here you have some basic modifications. You have for cash games, you have auto post blinds, wait for big blinds and preferred seat. And then for tournaments you can show rank, you can always sit in, etc. You also have auto buy chips for cash games and HUD settings. Here under formulas you have the formulas for betting sizes for both cash games as well as tournaments, and here are different conditions: pre-flop first, pre-flop second, flop, turn, river. Pretty self-explanatory, and it's really nice to edit if you want to use specific bet sizes. Under utilities you have autoplay settings, auto size settings and table highlighting. And under mod you can choose to change the appearance of the poker table and the cards that you play with. So you've got multiple options here of different cards and different tables that you want to use, as well as the backside of the cards and dealer button, as well as the call, fold, raise buttons. Don't forget to press the generate mod button after changing something in here, or else it won't take effect. And finally we have the hotkeys tab. Here you can choose to bind different keys to different actions. You can bind keys on your mouse, or you can choose to bind keys on your keyboard. Here you have the different actions. You can bind fold, you can bind call check, raise, all in, factor up, factor down, buy chips, show mucked, etc. This is very, very useful if you're playing multiple tables, for instance. Personally, I really use this quite a lot. Okay, that's it. We can start the room now. So we've opened the Hey Poker program with OngBetter. Let's just go into the settings and change the things that OngBetter asked us to change. I've already changed them here, but you need to disable pop table action so that it doesn't have a check mark in it, and you also need to disable show avatars, just like this, because otherwise the program might have some problems. Okay, so this is an example of what Hey Poker might look like after you've modded it with OngBetter. I've changed the backside of the cards, I've changed the face of the cards, as well as the look of the table. And yeah, that's it. It looks pretty neat and it's easy to multi-table now, much easier than before. Visit crushpoker.com for more information and for the best deals out there. Thank you very much.